This is a used 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.7-liter, six-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows. Safety was made a priority with these features: brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. George Wall Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 700 Shrewsbury Avenue, Red Bank, New Jersey, 07701.